The Air Jordan 1 Mid Light Cognac is expected to release in the first half of 2026, bringing a clean and lifestyle-focused colorway to one of Jordan Brand's most consistent silhouettes. This pair features a crisp white leather base paired with light cognac suede overlays on the forefoot, eyestays, and heel, delivering a warm, refined look. Dark brown swooshes add contrast, while subtle gold tongue branding gives the sneaker a slightly elevated touch. A sail midsole balances the palette and keeps the overall design easy to style. Designed with everyday wear in mind, the Air Jordan 1 Mid Light Cognac works effortlessly with denim, joggers, or casual fits, making it a versatile option for any rotation. Rather than chasing hype, this release focuses on wearability and seasonal appeal, proving why the AJ1 Mid continues to stay relevant. Expect this pair to launch in early 2026 via Nike.com and select Jordan brand retailers.